Welcome back guys, and nowadays everybody is using Facebook, and in Facebook they are searching different items. If anybody wants to see what items they have searched and want to delete the search history, what they need to do, I'm going to cover in this video. If you are new to the channel, please consider to subscribe this channel. So go to the Facebook, and here this will be open. Tap on three horizontal line, go to the settings, privacy, then settings. Means first setting and privacy will come, then tap on the setting, and then go below, and here your activity, go to the activity log, and here go below, and here logged action and other activities, search history. Here all the search history will come. If you want to clear search, just clear search, and all the search will be cleared. Okay, so no, I have cleared the search. Now no search history is here. So this is all what I wanted to tell you in this video, how to clear search history, see and clear search history in Facebook. If you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.